Hello friends, welcome back to Node.js tutorial. So we are discussing about API related things with Node.js, right? So we are using Express and we created a database connection and we have a connection.js and inside there we connected the MySQL. Now in this video we are going to show you how to upload files using API or how to upload through the browser also, right? So I will show you both things. So last day we had discussed about how to get, how to post, how to update data and how to delete data. So if you don't see that video, I recommend you see the video from the beginning. To upload any files in Express.js, simply we have a package, that is the npm package. So search npm express file upload, right? So by this package we can upload file easily. So this is the npm package and this is the installation procedure. So first just install that npm I for installation. So you can write installation or you can simply write a short form, that's I express file upload. So by entering it will install into our application. So if you just go to the package.json, you can see a new package installed, that is the express file upload. So let's extend from our index.js. So not extend, actually let's require. So simply just write constant and just use suppose let's create a variable upload and simply use require. So write express file upload. Okay, so exact same actually this express file upload. So let's change this, actually I misspelled, right? So express file upload is added into our application, and to upload any file simply we need to add one middleware. So right, this is the upload middleware. Actually we are using app for Express, and let's mention we will use the upload function, right? So simply write upload. Okay, so by this the application can understand we are going to upload some things, right? So now let's create a forms and we will upload from the browser, and then we will test from the postman, right? So API testing tool, we will use this postman to test how we can upload file from the postman also. So simply just create a routes, that is app get, and simply just write file upload. Okay, and obviously it will take two things, that is the request and response as a parameter, and just use arrow function and simply just check that is result dot send. So let's see is there anything happening or is there anything coming also, right? So simply write test and just go to this file upload. So let's see how it's working. So localhost 4200 / file upload, right? So we have not started our application, right? So simply we are installed the nodemon, so we can use nodemon index.js application started. Now just we can see the output. That means we are in the right direction and we are getting from here. So now we will load a file that will be the from. Actually we will not going to design much things. So instead of send, I will send a file and simply just relate the path name. So simply directory name plus to concat and simply write index.html. So we're going to create index.html in the same directory. So write index.html and let's create a simple from. So here write file upload. Okay, and simply just create a h1 tag upload file using Node Express, right? So this is not anything functional things. So let's create a from to upload files. So this is the from and there should have action. So first of all there is a method and I'm going to write a method as a post, as we'll submit this form and we'll post the form, right? And then let's create action. I will provide this later, and the important thing, that is the enc type, right? So for file upload we need to use the multipart from data, and let's create a simple forms that is input type file, and let's name also the file. You can add your own name, right? And nothing else. And here simply write choose file, okay, and simply beer, so that you will get a new line. And again it's beer, and after that I need submit function, right? So simply input type, not a file actually, input type submit, and let's add a value, also upload, so it will be actually a button, right? So let's see how it's appearing. Actually we are using node-m1, so it will automatically restart, and let's see. So we are getting something, right? So it's not looking good. Actually I am not going to discuss about the design part, right? So let's just go here and refresh. It's little cool. Now if I just going to choose file, it will ask to upload some files. So not only the image, if you choose any other type of files, it will upload, right? And now here is the action. What will be the action when we just going to click on the submit button? So we need to create this. So we have app get, so we can create another routes, and also we can change the type. Actually we will send the post type, so simply we are using the post. So this is my action, so simply just copy here and paste it here. So router created. Now the functionality need to change, so we need to upload these things. How we can upload? Before that we need to know when we submit from here, what actually coming, right? So simply I just going to check these things. So console.log, we know in the request section I will get, but here to get the files related things we need to use request files. So let's see what appearing in the console. So simply just refresh once and choose any file, suppose 21.jpg, and just click on upload, and let's go to the terminal, and we can see all the things. There is the name of the file, and size, encoding type, and truncated is false, that means it's okay, and also the MIME type. That is very important things to check which type of file we are going to upload actually, right? So all our image related things we are getting, right? So where we are getting, actually we are getting from here, right? And just stop, okay. And now we need to upload the file with the name. So we'll create a folder, suppose my folder name is uploads. So we'll upload all the file into uploads folder. So just copy this, okay, and let's try to fetch the name of the file, right? So simply let's close this for now, and here simply write let's create a variable, let's file equal to request dot files, and create another let file name equal to the file dot name, okay. Now just console one things, and let's confirm whether we are getting the correct file name or not. So simply just restarting and choose another file, that is 20.jpg, and upload. So this is undefined. Why it is undefined? So let's check once. So just go to the editor. So I think it's a refresh problem, so I need to refresh this once, and let's try it again, right? So 19.jpg and upload, and let's see in the terminal, again undefined. So something is wrong. So what wrong here? So if I just print here all the things, we are getting. So just check again and just click on here and choose any files, click on upload. So we are getting all the things. So name is inside the file name. So just go to the Visual Studio Code again, request files, file.name, that should come. Why it's not coming? Actually the request files means total these parts. So inside the request files we have a file, and inside this file we have name. So we need to mention that also. So request dot files and the dot file. So dot file is coming from the HTML. So as we have a name file, that's the reason we have. So simply just close these and let's refresh once again and try to check. So simply choose another file, that is 15.jpg, and upload, and let's see. So we are getting 15.jpg. that means it's working now. Right, now we need to upload this file into this uploads folder. So how can we do this? So let's close this, and we need one restriction or condition to check whether the file we are getting or not. If not get, that time it may have error. So simply just check here, if request files have any things, then only we will write all the codes, right, and otherwise will not do anything. So if request files, then we'll execute further, and here we are getting the file name. So just move to the folders. So for move we need .mv. mv is a functions, by using we can easily move. So simply write the path actually /uploads/ our file name which we actually going to upload, file name, and then it's taking a parameter that is error, this is a callback, and here simply write in this way, right? So if anything error, so if error, then simply throw the error, otherwise else then upload the file. So how can I upload? So simply write result.send and simply write any text, file uploaded. Let's cool. Right, now if I just going to check this again, so simply just go to the browser and refresh and choose any file, suppose 4.jpg, and just upload this. Its file uploaded, that means file successfully uploaded. So if you just go to the Visual Studio Code and inside the uploads we are getting one file, that is 4.jpg. so this is the file we just uploaded. So in the same way, if I just going to upload another type of files, suppose choose any files which is not related to jpg or something. So simply create suppose just go to the here and simply you have another wallpaper or something different, so not only the image type. So just go to the downloads, there are lots of things. So there is mp3 actually, and upload, right? So if I just go to the Visual Studio Code, we can see this mp3 also, right? So any kind of file we can upload through .mp. Okay, so now we can understand how we can upload file in Node.js. So now if I just going to provide API, and how we can test the API, means is the API is working or not. Simply just copy this path, and we need the post parameter. So just create another API. So just write post, and my path is my port is 4200. So just write in this way 4200, and we need to send the files. So just go to the body, and we are using the files here actually, and we are collecting data from files. So the name will be the file. So just inside the body just pass the from data and file, and just choose a type, that is file type, and select a file. So just go to the images, and we have lots of file already. So 20.jpg, and just click on send. right, file uploaded. And if you just go to the Visual Studio Code, and you can see another file is uploaded. So that's cool thing. So in this video you can understand how to upload file through the browser and also the APIs, right? So basically whatever we will create in the Express, this is the routes, and basically this is and basically this can be used as a API also. This is the advantage of Node.js, right? I think you can understand this video, and still if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. Next day we are going to discuss about another interesting topic of Node.js with Express framework. So keep watching this video, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.